Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I have something very special for you guys. I have Animal Company mod. With all the unlimited features that you can get, I will show you how to get this. Recently I was browsing Reddit and I found this awesome mod. You won't believe it, guys. First of all, let's go to this website. There are tons of mod and tool available on this website for you guys to check out. But we are interested in Animal Company mod. So let's start with this. First, we need to select our device. I have iPhone, so I will select iOS if you have Android. You can select that. Yes, you need a mobile to do this. Otherwise, it won't work. Now press continue. See guys, this is so easy. Anyone can do this. Now we can see it's unpacking the mod tools. We need to be patient here because it is sending admin codes to our account, and it will be ready in that time. Once it's done. Now comes the easy part. We need to verify our celebs. It is because the servers are overloaded, so we need to download just one app for 30 seconds, or complete a simple task. Once the task is completed, now let's download this app, because it looks easy. It is safe, because we have to download from official Apple App Store, so let's begin with this. I am really amazed to see how it works so good. So now let's wait for it to get completed. Completed. Now that it is done, we begin sliding, and now we see that we have enter phone number. It is very simple and takes just 1 minute to complete. Now let's just do this. Okay, now what we need to do is that we need to interact with that app for that 30 seconds, and we will have the mod in the game. We press this button and see have a lot of things here. Now we can check our profile. Now that it's done, we head back into game and see guys how easy it is. Wow, guys, I have now the best mod in the game, Animal Company mod ready. Go to your account and simple restart it. Once restart is done, the money will be ready, and it is ready to be spent in game. Have fun, guys. Do like and subscribe for more amazing content, and yes, thanks for watching.